Um
Okay.
Okay, you can see with me today. Here is a beginner, and now I will ask her structures of all tenses, and she will give answer. So, are you ready, Trupti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, simple past tense positive formula.
As subject plus verb second plus object.
Okay. Next, perfect past tense.
Subject plus had plus VC verb third plus object.
Okay. Next, continuous present tense.
Subject plus have or had plus
No, no, wrong.
v,
Continuous present tense. Continuous.
oh sorry. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus object.
Okay. Next, simple future tense.
Subject plus will or shall plus verb plus object.
Okay. Simple past tense negative.
Simple past tense negative. Okay. Subject plus didn't plus verb plus object.
Hmm. Next, continuous past tense.
Continuous past tense. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object.
Perfect present tense.
Um, Subject plus have or has plus verb third plus object.
Next, perfect future tense.
Perfect future. Okay. Uh, a subject plus will have plus uh, object no verb third plus object.
Okay. Will shall have plus verb third. Next, simple future tense.
Simple future tense. S plus will or shall plus verb plus object.
Verb first. Okay. Next, continuous future tense.
Continuous future tense. Subject plus will be or shall be plus uh, verb plus ing plus object.
Okay, very good. You have given here correct answers. Well done. Excellent. And now I will ask you, means tomorrow I will ask you sentences, okay? So you have to study well.
Okay.